Okay, now DeepSeek. What is ano bang ano? Westminster. Give us the Ayan. Nagsasite sila ano about na ano yung nilista ni isa-isa. Pamahaba to. Kaya mag-isip kayo ng question.
Okay, so let's try asking, how does DeepSeek compete with OpenAI or ChatGPT?
With ChatGPT and Gemini.
Oh, Gemini, yeah.
Let's say ganito.
Let's see
This is
how
our one.
Let's see how there's gonna say.
Wala
Okay. Okay, so that is just a generic response. That is interesting. So what if we try again? There we go. Oh wait, there it is.
Ethical AI. Ayun.
Ethical AI, interesting. I also see that OpenAI is also doing a responsible AI too, or AGI. I might be wrong. Alright, so let's say we're gonna code the game for a ping pong game. Alright, here is how that's gonna work.
Okay.
Oh wow. That is a long code, but I think it's worth it. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's worth it.
Pero hindi ko pa to naialan sa mismong Python. Itong Tkinter i-install ko pa lang dito eh. So, okay, let's say what teka. Ano?
Take your time.
What?
Take your time.
Sige. Isip ka who is
Beanie Mikalim and what is her current educational?
Wow, stalker. Yeah. Okay. Sige, ulitin natin.
So they want more context, huh? No widely recognized public figure or notable individual.
Pero sa Grok, tingnan mo.
Let's see. See how that.
Kasi ito yung curtain na kapag lalo na pag may community post. Ayan. Isa Star Magic. Yan, may mga Star Hot Academy. Ayan. Current education, we completed her high school education before. Oh my goodness. Sorry, mom, that we're on live. Okay, Mika completed her high school education before entering the entertainment industry. Pero sabi sa ibang mga posts daw, na involved daw siya sa recently, her pinaka-last is sa integrated school ng De La Salle University. Pero there is no further information about taking senior high school or college, lalo na napaka-busy nila sa Bini ngayon. Kaya, pero ito, let's say, mga Taylor Swift. Yan, mga Swifties dyan, mag-ingay. Who is...
Wow.
Sige, mga ibang personalities tayo.
Oh, Billie Eilish. Let's try Billie Eilish.
Sige, Billie Eilish siya. Okay, Taylor. So, bali na-recognize ang Taylor Swift. Yung pinaka 2004, ay actually, di ba, EA Store, nagsimula siya few years ago. Tapos wala nga lang dito sa Pilipinas, pero sa Singapore meron. Okay, so recognize si Taylor Swift. Let's say Lea Salonga. Ayan, di kilala yan.
Lea Salonga. Hey, I think they managed to get it right. That's good.
Jasmine, Aladdin, Famulan. Oo, very accurate.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay,
Kinuha na lang nila yung galing sa Broadway. Yung may Voice Philippines din siya sa ABS-CBN. Okay, let's go back to Mika Lim.
Mika Lim.
Sige.
Oh, it's
try
Mika
natin.
Lim again, ha? Con Mika Mas.
That is accurate.
Hindi, kapag specific yung specific information of a member, hindi sila nagbabanggit. As in directed kung kilala yung walang individual contact.
Right.
Okay. Ngayon, ito. Specific details about her personal are limited unless shared by her or the group. Pero na yun yung sa Star Hunt Academy meron eh. Wala masyadong nagpo-post na article about their involvement sa Star Academy, or baka bihira lang niya makuha ng itong AI. Let's try.
MNL 48?
Kasi punyeta po ang Halo-Halo Entertainment. Sarado nga po ang Movie Cafe. The last time I visited the Centris ngayon, naging SM Hypermarket, mga kaibigan.
Wow, naging hypermarket na.
Ang supposedly na magiging theater nila, naging hypermarket pa talaga. Nung nangyari itong second general election, doon nagkadala pa yung talent company na to. Tapos diresolve pa talaga yung Kawaii 5. Ano mo yung pinapalabas sa Amachan after kada episode yun sa TV5 eh. Meron silang Kawaii 5 na girl group. Nagko-cover din sila ng mga AKB48 songs bago na nasimulan itong MNL. ito. So ayun. Yan yung mga first gen. Yung mga first gen binabanggit. Ano nangyari sa first gen?
I never heard of the first. Oh.
So ayun guys. That's so how okay. Actually sige. As parting
let's try asking if any one of the TGON entertainment shows let's try asking one of the TGON shows right now. Alright, do you know what is Cool FM? Cool FM is a well-known pirate radio station.
How do we get it in the 1990s? There's no way. No, we are not in the UK. We are not in the UK.
No. That's yeah. There you go. In the Philippines. I think
it doesn't recognize. It doesn't recognize us.
Well
interesting.
Well then, do you know Asper's Cafe?
Siyempre, kailan niya nag-start? Kailan nag-start yung show?
6:30 kanina.
No, as in yung yun ang episode.
The first episode, I think. The date.
Oh, that was around April. Yeah, it was around
Duda.
April.
Malaking duda to. Kaya
April 24.
Ano ba yung ingay sa background?
That's my sister.
Kumbilang yan. So ang pwede lang nila makuha is until October 2023, which is parang kagaya sa ChatGPT.
Maybe let's try May Tulugan.
Kasi alam ko yung May Tulugan na nagsimula lang siya na parang last ng
October?
No. Parang ano yun lang eh. Parang kahulihan ng October at saka yung dataset ng DeepSeek naging ano na lang siya parang kalahati. We never know. Pero medyo inaccurate ang mga results. Kaya ang dataset nila sa DeepSeek nito until this October 2023 lang. Let's say
that's why.
Let's say pag-usapan about the church thing. Yan, evangelical. Yon, whatever. Balikan natin. So kinuha lang nila mga basta until October 2023. 30 yan, yung
That's
mga
right. So that's why the database stores.
isa pa, last na. Who is
Xi Jinping.
No.
Taiwan.
And
Yun lang yun ang po.
gago? Illegal port of China. Uy! Is Taiwan. Why Taiwan?
we're going to get triggered by Asper's Cafe. There's no way.
Independent from the People's Republic.
That's not true. We know lots about
People's Republic. Oh boy.
We're going to get triggered by Asper's Cafe. There's no way.
Ito.
There is no way.
Compatriots on both sides of the Taiwan Sea are connected by blood, joint committee to engage everything in the Chinese. The Chinese government said, One China principle, boy.
Excuse me.
Tingnan na. Teka.
Let's fact check this.
Sige, group tayo. Sige, usap ka.
Let's fact check this. Let's fact check this right now. Let's fact check this.
Alright.
Fact check natin sa Grok. Love you, Grok. Ito, i-fact check natin yan.
It's true. Island. Oh, see?
Island country.
Oh, see?
Southeastern coast of China, okay? Inalienable, ha? What's this one?
Ito.
See? Grok has the idea. But DeepSeek, they don't know. DeepSeek doesn't know.
That is wild.
Alright, let's see. Okay. National. Inalienable.
Putang ina.
Inalienable daw.
Inalienable part of China. Sige.
Let's see. Xi Jinping.
Oh,
No,
this is
it's
definitely
censored.
going to get clipped.
It's censored.
This is definitely going to get clipped, guys, ladies and gentlemen. That is definitely going to get clipped. Oh boy.
As far as I know, nasa ano yan, China Insider by David Zhang, and yep, my prediction was correct. It doesn't have the so-called current scope. And yep, it talks more about that one, Xi Jinping and more Taiwanese related stuff. And it was blocked by the censorship, DeepSeek censorship, Chinese censorship.
I'm not even surprised. Wow.
My prediction was correct.
Puta! Oy! Oy! Sorry, let's bring up my current scope. Let's talk about something.
My prediction is correct. My prediction is correct. I knew it.
It's the 1989.
We're having fun here.
1989 Taylor Swift, ah.
I am sorry. It doesn't know. It's censored. All right. Now let's see if it gets better.
What is 1989?
All right.
It worked.
And I was correct. It was censored. Chinese censored, and it was censored. My prediction was correct. My prediction was correct.
Gago.
Wow.
What about the Taylor's version? Hindi ako sinasagot. For the album 1989.
Alright.
Can they answer that? Or
Okay,
is it censored?
ulit tayo.
Alright. Let's see if DeepSeek is accurate.
Gago.
Hey, what happened? Alright, stand by. Let's stand by. Okay. Alright. Let's. Oh boy.
Oh, they're getting
Prediction say they would say no. They would say no. If I'm accurate, they would say no.
Wait lang. Baka sumobra na ako sa kota ko. Wait lang. Delete lang ako ng ano. Delete lang ako ng mga Actually, what is Minecraft?
What is Minecraft?
Ano? Uy, gabi.
Ayaw! Wow, ayaw.
Wait lang. Palit lang ako guys ng account ko. Tanggalin ko lang tong stream.
Alright.
Okay. I'll try on what's called deepfake. DeepSeek.
Have you already created?
Not yet. Alright. No. I didn't enter.
I'm going to join. I'm going to actually jump into bandwagon right now. Let's see. Is DeepSeek... Hey! DeepSeek is blocked. Oh wait, no.
Under maintenance.
Bakit sa akin wala? Teka nga, Team Car, ako mag-screen share muna ako. Thank you. Bakit sa akin wala? Okay, switch accounts.
Just an update. Due to large-scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek service, as registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Registered users can log in normally. Take care for your understanding and support.
Okay. Mojang Studios. Sinatch person.
Alright. Okay, expected. Okay. It doesn't want me to log in with the Google service. It doesn't want me to log in the Google service. No. Let's see my other account. Come on. It doesn't want me. It doesn't want me
Pero
to. It doesn't.
Etong Okay.
Okay. What is this? ICP. Then there's the what is 2023 025841 and there's some Chinese letters there. Okay, hold on.
Okay, here. Let's see.
Teka nga, nag-isip ako ng question. Okay, back to what are the Chinese?
My prediction would say it won't answer, but let's see. I would say it would answer.
Okay, individuals in China who practice Christianity. Nestorian Christianity,
Catholicism.
modern three self-patriotic movement. Kasi unbiblical po ang three self-patriotic movement kasi influence din yan sa kapag Chinese patriotic at makikita kayo na ganito, three self-patriotic, Chinese patriotic. Okay. Wait lang.
Oh, hold on.
Hey.
Alright.
Alright, so
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
Hindi. No, sige lang. Tapos, are the persecuted in China. Reset na WhatsApp.
Okay, this would answer. Closures and demolition. Yep, that was correct. Arrest and detention, censorship. Yep, censorship and control.
I have now just approached a lot of censorship. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's hosted in China. Yeah.
The Communist Party promotes atheism and teka. Tinanggal nga naman. That's beyond my let's talk about Bob, sige. Usap tayo about kay Bob. Man of
Of course, FEB. FEBC again?
Ito si Bob Bowman, missionary, may sinusubukan niya mag-start ng FEBC sa China, kaso dahil sa Communist Party nilipat siya sa Pilipinas at nagsimula sa 1948. At yung shortwave radio ngayon, umabot siya sa China.
And that happened.
At nag-increase yung mga Christian, mga Chinese Christians doon because of the FEBC through the transmission sa Bukawi. Ito,
interesting. Let's see if it's accurate enough.
Okay. It's taking a long time for whatever reason, it takes a while. Okay.
Ba't pala nagpipigil?
Oh, I think it hang out. Did it?
Grabe ba? Network error.
No, that's different.
That's different. Yup, that's different.
Pero nakuha ko pa, nasasagap ko pa rin ito. Yun nga lang. Okay. Provides Bible teachings and sermons. Kung iraran ko siya locally, maybe sa next na episode natin, we'll try.
Alright.
Pero sa ngayon, napakagrabe po mga kaibigan ang censorship ng sabing platform.
And supposedly all of my predictions was right after all. I was also watching China Insider from David Zhang, and he also tries the DeepSeek AI, and yep, my predictions was right, and yes, I was correct. And what do you think, Asparagos? Do you think any expectations on the AI thing?
That DeepSeek? Honestly, the DeepSeek, well, I see it being the potential, and it can rival ChatGPT, as we just saw the demo from TJ Steven. But if you are trying to go into the dark side, like answering some questionable questions like that we just encountered, don't even bother trying, because they're just not gonna answer it for you. So yeah, there you go. So overall, since we already have witnessed a demo, what do you think about the DeepSeek so far?
A little bit accurate, but not quite
as much
accurate,
as possible. Run it locally. Run it, kung may mga matatapang ang mga laptop ninyo o mga PC ninyo, just run it locally. Wala kayong mapagkakatiwalaan sa mga service nila. Gagawin na nila lahat para natanggalin ang freedom of dissent, freedom of speech because of these Chinese tech. Pero pwede ka lang mag-run locally. Pero I will demonstrate it the next episode kung may mga results man.
Got it. So yeah, everyone, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the ChatGPT? Grok?
Grok.
Gemini,
Grok.
Or
Grok.
Let's just say to the alternative, let's just switch to Grok instead. Aside from the DeepSeek, it's a little bit too dark to my understanding.
Yung ChatGPT at saka yung Gemini pwede pa, kaso may mga alam mo minsan pag-usapan dito sa Asphyrs Cafe yung DEI. Yun, medyo may mga konting red flags doon.
Yeah. We did talk
Kaya
about
sa Grok muna ako pansamantala, pero ginagamit ko din siya sa coding. Maganda din yung yun nga lang, may konting human effort lang kapag may mga mali, kapag may mga inaccuracies.
But
Salamat Elon Musk sa Grok at saka sa Starlink. Napakaganda ng American tech. Literal po.
As much as I not a fan of Elon, well, let's just say that Elon is good in offering items, yeah. Not items, but offering the best services like Grok. So is Grok really worth it?
Let's just say for the good part, Grok is it's much better than the DeepSeek.